Rocky. Staying inside. All nice and warm. So we dig a little walkway here. And who decides to pee on the side? Rocky! It's messed up. And over here we have Bri, who said, I think it was, quote, I don't need to dig myself out, I'll just go. How'd that work out? I think he quote was, go fuck yourself. So that answers that. And now he's digging himself out because he's stuck in between the driveway and the street. Beautiful day in Wall Township. Blizzard. 2010, December 28th, I think. And the pee spot. Oh yeah.